Let the bad talk, got my passport stamped up. Get the gas, then I push the button like the big dogs. Only see the snakes when you got the grass cut. Get it painted at the car shop like a car
Race the
shop.
garage, starting on fucking build right here, boys.
Sparko quick release off of Amazon.
Yep.
We're just gonna put it onto my car. First things first, you gotta take out all these center bolts here. Take these out. I'm just using a torque because my bolts are stripped, but there's 6 of them.
And these cost about 35 bucks with shipping off of Amazon. Buddy just found out that he has a Momo hub.
That's fucking mint.
That's sick. I really like these hubs because they just make things look clean with these. Should be fine.
Okay. And then this is a horn. You just have to unplug this wire here. Tuck it in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Do this. Just pull it apart. Take the bottom piece that attaches to your hub. And you got ball bearings. You got 5 on top, 3 on the bottom, so you can't really mess up which way you put it on.
Yeah.
There's the 5. There you go. Just put it on like that.
Yep.
And then you take your bolts here.
Your hardware and just toss them in.
Grab. Where's that Allen key gone? Okay, with an Allen key. Like that. Torque just to tighten them up a bit with the socket.
Yeah.
The ratchet. Better than hand tight. And you don't want to tighten them too much because they're fine threads, so you could strip the threads in them quite easily.
Yeah. Just want to give them a nice, snug fit. Quick release.
Wires and shit in here.
Yeah. Just getting the wires all tucked into the hub or to the quick release so that we can put the bolts on the steering wheel. Yeah.
Yeah. And this fucking steering wheel is thin as fuck.
And it's also like 7 inches
yeah, it's
from the steering column, so
the fucking hub's super long.
especially with an Amazon hub. Like, it's pretty strong for an Amazon hub.
Well, the hub's Momo.
Or, I mean, quick release, sorry.
It's authentic Sparko. Paid $3 for this. That's gonna be fucking sick.
Yeah, fuck you. You're lucky, bastard. You're lucky.
Oh,
You're lucky
yeah.
you're a homie, man.
There we go. Wait, just
Alright,
wait.
boys, this fucking rice. Oh, fuck, can't be swearing.